Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. At first, open new message or any other area where you can input some text. So all you have to do is open some place with access to your keyboard. So just to have this layout. As you can see, currently I'm using English. To change it, tap on Settings, select Languages, click on Add Keyboard, and pick the one that you wish to apply. So the list is pretty long, you'll definitely find something suitable. You can smoothly scroll it or click on search icon and find the proper language. Then you can stay with both languages, or you can remove unnecessary language if you wish. Then let's go back, and as you can see, this brand new keyboard is active. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.